Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is another episode on CapCut tutorials. Now in this video you learn how to put text behind you in a video using CapCut on mobile phone like this. So you can see the text is behind me and I can move anywhere I want and the text is still behind me. So let's learn something new today. So let's do this. From CapCut you import the video we'll be using. So this is the video we'll be using. Hey guys, so let's import it. Yeah, so this is the video. So you watch the timing very well, and the moment you want the text to, the duration, you want the text to appear, you just set it there and you input the text. So you can change the font and the style as well, anyhow you want it. So bring it down a little, make sure it's at the middle. So this is how your video should look like. So this is how your video this is how your video will look like. So when you're done, you export it or you save it. So after saving this, you will import it back. You import the video you've saved. You import it back. So you import it back, as you can see from this side. So after importing, you add the original video as an overlay, the original video without the text, and you add it as an overlay. So after adding as an overlay, you zoom to fit and you remove the background. So let's wait for the background to be removed. So the background has been removed successfully. So finally, this is how your video should look like. If you should follow the procedure correctly, you end up editing the video like this. You can see the text is now behind me and it's accurate. So thank you for watching the video from my channel. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification for more similar content. Catch you up in the next update.